Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US Energy Secretary urged domestic oil refiners this month to not further increase exports of fuels like gasoline and diesel, adding that the Biden administration may need to consider taking action if the plants do not build inventories. Jerome Powell's latest hawkish missive threatens to open up a new front in the ever-raging battle between tech stocks and Treasury yields, potentially hurting money managers who've just plunged back into US mega-cap companies in droves. It's starting to look like nothing can stop the British pound from sinking to new lows, with talk about inflation surpassing 18% next year and families across the country likely to be pushed into energy poverty this winter. The UK's economic woes are getting worse by the day. The pound dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. Japan's jobs-to-applicants ratio will be released at 23:30 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 01:30 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.